In today's interest rate markets, let's take a look at the 10-year note futures as they're ticking lower once again today. 10-year note futures trading lower for a fourth consecutive session, and today's price action has moved the futures market to a new 5-week closing low, as well as we continue to see lower price action from a day-over-day basis. And they're currently priced at 111.01, so holding just above that 111 handle here today. And when you look at some of the driving factors, really more of the same once again this morning as far as data. U.S. consumer sentiment data showing increased expectations moving forward as far as economic expectations, and that had an impact in the treasury markets, shifting the dynamics as far as the expectations for the economic activity, as well as the expectations for the Fed moving forward. Now, the Fed is in the quiet period next week. We have a rate decision coming at the end of the month, so we will not hear from Fed officials next week. But the market certainly has shifted the dynamic this week as far as the expectations for the first rate cut, now taking the March potential rate cut really below 50%, where it started the week or early in the week was close to 80%. So a shifting dynamic there. And when you look at the yields today, we're looking at the 10-year yield up 2 basis points to 416 basis points. And as far as price action, interesting dynamic here. And when you look at the wings kind of holding up today and actually moving slightly higher with the middle of the curve selling off. So we're seeing higher yields from the 2-year out to the 10-year, and then from the short-dated bills all the way to the long-dated bonds, actually a little bit lower yields and higher price action. So overall, selling pressure once again for the 10-year note futures, moving down to 5-week lows and pushing those yields up to 5-week highs.